Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is something called site canvases. And in our site menu down here on the left-hand side, you'll see some of these things. Uh, Sidebar, about, footer, testimonials, discovery call. Okay, what are these? These are these sections that are kind of like have these diagonal lines on it. Okay, so what is a site canvas? A site canvas is something that if I had to edit this here, okay, it'll be the same. It's a global change. Okay, so I have this canvas set up in different pages. So on the home page, we have this one. Okay, uh, in the services page, we should have one. Let's just go down here. We do have one. Okay, and let's just have a look at the opt-in. I think there might be one in here as well. So we've got it in 3 places. Okay, we've got it in home, we've got it in services, and we got it in opt-in. Okay, so this is just a way of, okay, so I edit it in one place and I don't have to go edit it anywhere else unless I want them to look all different. Okay, but for this purpose, we want everything to look the same. Okay, so just for instance, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swap out this image with this image, okay, so we can see what's going on. Okay, so from here, now if I go to home, okay, you'll see the image has changed. If I go to services, where were we? Down here somewhere. Okay, it's changed. Same thing for the opt-in. It's changed. So that is a site canvas. There are a few site canvases here. Okay. For instance, your footer is a site canvas. You will have different types of headers. Okay. The navigations. Okay. Testimonials. We've got 2 different types. Okay. We have a testimonials with just text, and we have a testimonial with an image. Okay. And then we have our discovery call one, which is normally sitting right down at the bottom of the pages. Okay, down there. Let's just quickly have a look here. Do we have one here? Yep, we do. But this one's a little bit different because this one, what I did is when I added it, I wanted this element over here. So you can change them up, and how you do that is that let's quickly create a page. Okay, a blank page. Okay, I'm going to call it just template. Okay. Now I just want to add in a template. So let's just go into the page. Okay. I'm just going to quickly add from library. Okay. And our library has all these site canvases here. And what I want to do is I just want to add that discovery call one. Okay. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to quickly add it. Okay. But now I don't want this to be a global thing that I edit. And all you need to do is just on these 3 dots over here, you can say convert to page canvas. So now whatever I do here will not affect any of the other ones. Let's quickly have a look at that. Okay. If I go to homepage, it has not changed. Okay, so that's site canvases. Site canvases are literally just things that you would edit in one place and it'll change globally across the website. How do I now make, perhaps I've created this and I want to make this a site canvas? That's very simple as well. All you need to do is you need to click the 3 dots and sorry, you need to go in here. You need to go to the section, which is this discovery call, and click on convert to site canvas. Okay, so if we go back to the site, okay, here it is over here. Okay, I'm just going to delete that now. And that is touching on site canvases. Next thing we're going to look at is how to edit your testimonials, which are site canvases.